This is the portal chair. It's a collapsible camp chair. It has the high back on it, you can see, and it has a strap. You can carry it. Once you get it all folded up, you can carry it that way, or you can put it in its carry bag, which we have both there. But it's a nice, solid, sturdy. It holds a lot of weight. It's really sturdy, has a nice little cup holder there. It also comes with a little pouch that kind of straps around the handle here, but we don't have it on right now because it kept coming off when we would fold it up. So one of them still, we have two of these, and one of them still has the little pouch on the side and one doesn't. But like I said, you can see the carry strap here, and it's solid and durable and does a really nice job of just
really solid handles.
Yeah.
So really good for like if you really had to.
If you had to push yourself up, exactly. Yep. And here it is, all tucked back into its bag there. We just put it all back in, and you can see it's just easy to carry around and has a little carry strap on the bag. So there you go, portal chair. We like it. We've been using it for 2 years and works really well. It's very sturdy and easy to use, and we like it.